I'm Julie Collins.
And I'm Tina Parks.
We're from the British Academy of Floral Art. We were given the dilemma to make floral crowns at a festival, and we've come up with this amazing technique, and we're going to call it the duty. So all you need is a floristry reel wire and a thick marker pen, a pair of scissors, one strand of ivy, some flowers, so spray carnations, so spray roses, and maybe some wax flower, whatever you want to fill, and off we go. You take the pen and you wind it round and round and round and round and round and round and round, and you just keep doing it. Take it off, do it again, round and round and round and round and round and round, until eventually you get a long length, which needs to be around about the length of yourself, just for size. So if you've got small children, and then it's the length of the child, adults, the length of the adult, and then you just start to wrap that round. So you measure the head size. Excuse me, Tina. Just pretend I'm measuring Tina's head there. There you go. That's huge. So we're just gonna wind it round and round and round, and then all I'm doing is unscrunching it in and scrunching all the coils together. Look at that. So scrunch, 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 scrunch. That's making a nice thing firm. Round it goes. And then just to secure it, we just take the wire again, and then we're just going to bind that wire. So you take the end up, you wind it round it goes, all the way round. And this is just making sure it doesn't slip. The great thing about this, you can fit it to any head size that you like.
And it's so quick and easy, isn't it, Julie? It gives us a really nice strong base, and it makes a really nice easy structure to work your flowers into, so anybody can do it at home.
Our students have been making these, so we timed ourselves. It takes about 2.5 minutes to make one of these. So if you've got lots to do, just to bear that in mind. So the next important thing is that you keep the stems that you're cutting off fairly long. It only works with long stems. So first of all, we're going to take the ivy and we're going to wedge the stem, the cut stem. Oh, that's the other end. So we're going to the cut side into the coil. So just like putting it through all the loops as far as you can go, and then you start winding the ivy round. So that gives you a little frame. And then, keeping the stems really long on the flower, you start to just wedge them through. So wedge them through all the loops and pull them right down until the head touches the loop, and then it stays in. Don't have them sticking out because they might fall out because they get a bit top heavy. And in through all the loops, you can use the other end to pull it through, and in it goes. And if you want to double it up, and then you just create a pattern, really. And then eventually, you just keep going round and round and round until, I'll take this one off, ta-da! You get one that looks like this.